bringing you the news and information you need from the people making a difference. This is Comcast Newsmakers.
There have been some changes at Foundation's community partnership, but the mission remains the same. Hello again, and thanks for joining us. I'm Jen Boyette, and with me today on Newsmakers is Ron Bernstein. He is the Executive Director of Foundation's Community Partnership, and of course we're talking about their switch. So nice to have you with us today.
Hey, it's great to be here. Thanks.
Sure, and you're being here again. You've been here before, and last time you were talking about Foundation's behavioral health.
Right.
Right. So what is it now, and why the change?
Well, Foundation's Community Partnership was born out of the sale of Foundation's Behavioral Health. Foundation's Behavioral Health was a pioneering psychiatric facility that was founded in Bucks County in 1964. And after many years of operating, the board made the very difficult decision that it was time to sell the entity. And when a not-for-profit in the state of Pennsylvania sells to a for-profit healthcare company, one of the things that happens is the Attorney General requires that you create a new community mission, and it gets approved by the Bucks County Orphans Court. So the hospital was sold, and it is still being maintained and being run, and we're very proud of its existence and its continuing to serve the community. But as an outgrowth of that sale, there's a new community mission that has been formed, and all the resources from the sale and the resources that have been accumulated over 40 years are now part of a new community mission. And that community mission is under the name of Foundation's Community Partnership.
So how has it changed then? Is the mission is the same, but are there differences along the way because of that then?
Absolutely. Foundation's Community Partnership is, number one, dedicated to behavioral health research and education. Number two, to provide grants to Bucks County not-for-profit agencies that work with children, youth, and families. Thirdly, we award scholarships to Bucks County high school seniors who are interested in their careers in the helping professions. We subsidize service learning internships, and we'll talk about that. And finally, we support and underwrite community education programs, both for the professionals and the community as well.
Okay. Well, how did this switchover affect the patients or the people you serve? Did things change a lot for them and how they receive their services or benefits?
Absolutely not. I mean, Foundation's Behavioral Health, the hospital, the residential treatment center, the alternative school and day treatment programs, they're all functioning the exact way they used to. As a matter of fact, they're being expanded and continue to grow. So patients are still receiving excellent service at Foundations. But as an outgrowth of that sale, the community now has a community foundation to support all these other wonderful initiatives.
Okay, we'll talk about some of those initiatives, as you said. I know you wanted to talk more about the scholarships.
Well, the scholarships, the service learning is a really interesting program. This summer, for example, we are placing 10 young Bucks County kids who are returning from college for the summer. We are placing them with Bucks County host agencies where they're going to have a service learning experience. For 10 weeks, they'll be working with different organizations, Big Brothers, Big Sisters, NOVA, the Networks of Victims Assistance, the Peace Valley Nature Center, the Musical Conservatory, Special Equestrians, etc., etc. And they'll be having a full academic program where they're going to be getting philosophy and educational component along with practical hands-on experience in the field working with people. So that service learning experience we think is so important, not only to the community but also to the intern themselves, and we just think it's a wonderful program.
Right, and that's really interesting the way you work with all those other agencies for the collective service.
Absolutely.
Right.
We think that there are so many wonderful agencies in Bucks County helping children and youth and placing these young interns with them for the summer, subsidizing that, paying their salaries, providing an academic overview of it, we think is a great experience for the kids.
Okay, wonderful. We're out of time already, but I know you do have the website, so people can go on there and check out more information and see what services you provide. Thanks so much for being with us today.
Okay, you're welcome.
And thank you for watching. This hour's newsmaker has been Ron Bernstein. He's the Executive Director of Foundation's Community Partnership, and I'm Jen Boyette for Newsmakers, an exclusive production of Comcast.